First sentence.
I think you have confused. अफर्मेटिव नेगेटिव एक साथ ही कर दिया है मेरे ख्याल से, है ना? We actually you do not have to use negative in that sentence, but you use not in that, है ना? तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस क्या था, एक बार पढ़ो.
मैम नेगेटिव या इंटरोगेटिव?
You read the first sentence of interrogative.
Were they not playing with us?
हाँ, तो इसमें नॉट लगा के आपने नेगेटिव पहले बना दिया. अब इसको अफर्मेटिव बना लो, नो प्रॉब्लम. अब
yes ma'am, after were they playing with us?
Yes, were they playing with you?
We don't have to write a not.
हाँ, yes, and write the formula also.
And so can I make it interrogative negative?
Interrogative affirmative. Negative is already you have done. नेगेटिव तो सब कर चुके हो. सब में नॉट लगा दिया ना, तो नेगेटिव यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन. नाउ यू शुड पुट द हेडिंग एज इंटरोगेटिव अफर्मेटिव. Now read the first sentence.
Were they not playing with you?
नॉट क्यों लगा रहे हो? नॉट लगाने से तो नेगेटिव हो जाता है. नाउ यू आर मेकिंग अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. वर दे प्लेइंग विथ यू?
मैम फिर मैंने इंटरोगेटिव अफर्मेटिव कर दिया. उसमें मैंने मैम नॉट को तो काट दिया.
सब में नॉट काट दिया है.
तो मैम इंटरोगेटिव में
इंटरोगेटिव भी तो दो तरीके का होगा ना. वन विल बी अफर्मेटिव, वन विल बी नेगेटिव. तो जिसमें नॉट लगाओगे वो नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस हो जाएंगे, इंटरोगेटिव नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. और जिसमें नॉट नहीं लगाओगे दो सेंटेंसेस विल बी इंटरोगेटिव अफर्मेटिव.
तो इंटरोगेटिव नेगेटिव बनाना है.
नेगेटिव तो बना चुके हो सारे. रीड द सेंटेंसेस. एक बार सेंटेंसेस पढ़ो. चलो पढ़ के देखो, सब में नॉट लगाया है?
नो मैम,
सब में नॉट नहीं लगाया.
नेगेटिव में लगाया.
इंटरोगेटिव वाले में बोलो. इंटरोगेटिव नेगेटिव, वो वाले फर्स्ट टू छोड़ दो.
नो मैम.
ओके,
इंटरोगेटिव में
नहीं लगाया तो करो.
मैम आई हैव टू रीड दिस.
यस.
वर दे प्लेइंग विद यू?
वर दे प्लेइंग विथ यू तो इसमें नेगेटिव नहीं है, अफर्मेटिव है. नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट वन, और इसी का साथ ही साथ नेगेटिव बनाते जाओ. दिस इज अफर्मेटिव एंड व्हाट विल बी द नेगेटिव वन?
Were they
not playing with you? Very good. Second sentence.
Were they going to tuition yesterday?
Were they going to school?
Sentence in negative. Were they not going to tuition yesterday?
Very good. Absolutely right. Third one.
I mean affirmative, negative, interrogative. Was he playing alone? And I mean interrogative, negative. Was he not playing alone?
Very good. Next one.
In interrogative, affirmative. Was your sister going to dance class? In negative. Was your sister not going to dance class?
Very good. Next one.
Affirmative. Were Raju and Rahim were studying together? And in negative. Were Raju and Rahim not studying together?
Very good. Now, what is the third tense? We have done past indefinite. We have done past continuous. Can you tell me the third type of tense?
Yes, ma'am. Perfect.
Past perfect. Oh,
And past perfect.
past perfect. Past perfect means the work which is done, which is completed in the past. Okay. First one was, what is the difference? First you try to understand what is the difference between past indefinite and past perfect. past indefinite means you did something in the past, and past perfect means you completed the work in the past. ठीक है, ये फर्क है. परफेक्ट का मतलब है आपका काम पास्ट में हो गया है, कंप्लीट, इट इज कंप्लीटेड. और इंडेफिनिट का मतलब है यू हैव डन समथिंग इन द पास्ट. ओके, लाइक now you are studying class 8 ना, तो what you will say, I studied in class 7 last year. ठीक है, and I had studied in class 7th last year. What is the difference between two? एक है मैंने पिछले साल 7th में मैं पढ़ता था. दूसरा क्या है, मैंने क्लास 7th पिछले साल क्लास 7th पढ़ा है. That means now you have completed class 7th. Understand? और one is my mother cooked tasty food और my mother had cooked tasty food. एक क्या है, मेरी मम्मी टेस्टी फूड बनाती थी, बनाया था, मेरी मम्मी ने टेस्टी फूड बनाया था. ओके, माई मदर कुक टेस्टी फूड. और दूसरा है माई मदर हैड मेड टेस्टी फूड. तो मम्मी ने जो खाना बनाया था कल रात का या कल लंच का या कल डिनर का, दैट वाज वेरी टेस्टी. तो वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है, बना चुकी हैं और हम खा चुके हैं. ओके, तो इसको जस्ट फॉर क्या कहते हैं, जस्ट फॉर योर नॉलेज, व्हेन वी से हम खा चुके हैं या खा लिया है, कंप्लीट हो गया है, देन इट इज परफेक्ट टेंस. एक है मैंने खाया था, मैंने बहुत एक अच्छी मिठाई खाई थी, तो दैट इज सिंपल पास्ट. पर मैंने अपना डिनर खा लिया है और मैंने अपना ब्रेकफास्ट खा लिया है, दैट इज यू हैव डन, कंप्लीटेड, तो दैट इज परफेक्ट टेंस. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू. ठीक है, तो अभी हम परफेक्ट टेंस करते हैं. पुट द हेडिंग एज पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. Can you give me a sentence in past perfect?
Okay.
Any new sentence. Any new sentence.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this we use had. मैम हमें हेड पहले यूज करना होता है इसको स्टार्टिंग में?
नहीं, सब्जेक्ट के बाद, आफ्टर सब्जेक्ट.
Your sister had completed third class last year.
ओके, ऐसे करो, योर सिस्टर हैड कंप्लीटेड हर होमवर्क और माई ब्रदर हैड कंप्लीटेड हिज होमवर्क, हिज हॉलीडे होमवर्क. ऐसे कर लो, माई ब्रदर हैड कंप्लीटेड हिज हॉलीडे होमवर्क. Then what is the formula?
Ma'am, subject plus head plus third form of verb plus object.
Very good. Absolutely right. Please note it down. Okay. Oh, you have written. Now next sentence you should write, I helped my mother yesterday. I had helped my mother in completing, और कुछ और भी बोल सकते हो, no problem. You can say something else. कुछ और बोलो.
Okay, ma'am.
I had watched the movie. You can say anything.
I mean, simple.
Hmm.
It's a simple sentence.
Simple नहीं had है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
Now I have to write a sentence that you say.
नहीं अपने आप से बोलो. You can write your own sentences.
Yes, ma'am. In this, can I use want? No.
I had visited somewhere. लिखो कोई somewhere अपने somewhere में नानीज हाउस या कुछ भी लिखना है लिखो.
Am I completing my work?
अभी तो completed वाला एक sentence हो चुका है. अब कुछ और लिखो ना. I had visited. I had visited any hill station last year. ये कर दो. कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. It is upon you. Whatever you want. Or I had participated in a competition last year.
I am not getting a sentence.
लिख लो. I had participated in the Olympiad last year.
I mean last year, yeah, last year.
Last year. Y-E-A-R. Last year.
I written.
Okay, next you can write something else. I had met or he had met. Met वाला कर लो. He had met a very famous person.
We had met with her new friends.
Yes, he had met with her new she. फिर हर क्यों बोल रहे हो? He had met with his new friends.
Fourth sentence.
Write the fourth one. I had eaten an ice cream. कुछ भी लिखो. हाँ.
She had visited Hawaii Mahal yesterday.
Okay. She had visited Hawa Mahal. Hawaii Mahal. She had visited Hawa Mahal yesterday. I think 4 sentences you have completed. How many sentences?
Yes,
4.
sentences.
Please write one more sentence, then it will be over for today. Write one more sentence. I have sketched a beautiful scenery. I have drawn a beautiful diagram. Whatever you want, you can write.
Yes. That's what I'm thinking. she had gotten a new book.
She had gotten नहीं
Story
होता,
book.
got होता है. She
Yeah,
had got
got
a
a
new
new
story
story
book. Okay, please write.
Neither.
Okay. Now take the homework. You have to write interrogative के चारों टाइप के sentences बनाने हैं, 5 ठीक है. 5 sentences of
मैम past perfect के
नहीं perfect नहीं interrogative के.
past continuous के बनाने में सेंटेंस.
हाँ right past continuous affirmative, past continuous negative, past continuous interrogative, past continuous interrogative negative. ठीक है. 5 सेंटेंस बनाने हैं, जैसे आज बनाया था. Have you understood?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Now we will meet. हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, after day after tomorrow, ma'am, can I also repeat another thought?
Yes, obviously. You should read a thought. You should read a thought, then you will repeat the thought, and after that you will give the meaning of the thought. You should write the meaning first, so that when you will speak, it should be in a flow. Okay? Search a good thought, then you repeat the thought, and after that you will give the meaning of the thought. Understood?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Good day. Take care. Bye.
Thanks for today's class.
Thank you. Okay.